Welcome to your Miami Realtors Virtual Open House Showcase, featuring both virtual open houses and 24/7 virtual tours and videos from May 1st to 10th. For information on how to add or where they are featured, visit miamirealtors.com. From the main page, search the news area, click through, and visit Miami Realtors South Florida Virtual Open House Showcase set for May 1st to 10th. For resources and information and guides, visit miamirealtors.com/right resources. This page will provide you with tips, how-tos, and more. To add your virtual open house, visit our homepage, click the Miami Gateway, select Matrix, and in Matrix find your active listing. Once you have your active listing, select the listing, click Edit, select Open Houses, add the details, and make sure you select either Virtual Broker Only or Virtual Public, the date, the time, the description, and be sure to add the live stream or recorded open house URL. The sample here is using a Zoom meeting link that you can provide. If you will do it through Facebook Live, just add the link to your Facebook page. When you go live, customers will be notified. Your listings will be featured in South Florida OpenHouseSearch.com. Once you come back in and you've added your live stream or recorded open house URL, simply click Submit Listing. For additional ones, just continue editing and adding. Simple and easy. We hope to see you participating in Virtual Open House Showcase by Miami Realtors. Thank you for being a Miami member. Always more with Miami.